I'm making DNA models out of Legos or the cardboard or PVC pipe. I'm a scientist at UC Davis. I'm leading a group at UC Davis doing the bioinformatics research and services. And so DNA is really my daily life. For me to get into the LEGO DNA is I'm trying to teach my daughter what a DNA is. And when she built her first DNA model, actually it's built a left-handed. And it's supposed to be right-handed. And so that's got me to know that the physical model actually really makes sense. It's not just you teaching the kids what does DNA look like. They have to build it, really the physical model, in order to understand the real structure.